Hi all, this is a continuation of the training of HBook. Last time we left off at rates, and so we'll pick this up at extra services. What extra services are is a way to potentially earn a little extra income. I noticed on your website, I think it was your website, that said that you will exchange a couple of twin beds for a king bed. You could actually put that in as a fee. You could say, all right, it's going to, if you want the king bed in there, it'll cost you 25 bucks for us to go through the labor of removing the twin beds and adding the king bed. That's an extra service that can go in. Some people throw in an extra service of bicycles. They can allow bicycle rental, and Terry would just have to roll them over to the house for 10 bucks a bike per stay or something like that. Just a way to earn an extra little bit of money. Not necessary, but just a possibility. Fees, Terry, this is where you're going to be doing some work right now. I've already made the changes from the cleaning / security deposit of 175. I've got a cleaning fee of 75. Now, what you'll need to do is you'll need to go in and add 4 new fees. 3 of them are the taxes, and 1 of them is the security deposit, and it's pretty simple to do. Click Add New Fee, give the new fee a name, decide whether it's a per person fee, per accommodation, meaning for the length of stay, per accommodation day, per accommodation percentage, yada, 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 yada. So if you're going to add in the security deposit of $200, you would click per accommodation and then enter $200 and then save. And then you would go on to add a new fee for the 3 different taxes. In that particular case, you're going to per accommodation percentage, and you would identify it as Oklahoma State tax, I forget what it was, per accommodation percentage 6%. Save, and do that for the other 3 taxes. All right, and fairly simple to do, but it'll what that'll then do is it will, on every bill, every attempt to book, it will show a cleaning fee of 75, non-refundable, a security deposit of 200, and the 3 taxes applied to the total cost of the stay. The next area we'll go is forms. Not a tremendous amount to do in here. What this is really saying is these are the types of forms that the customer will see. As an example, the booking form on the website has a title. It's requesting the customer's first name, last name, email, phone, address, city, state, and zip code, and if needed, country. Now you'll notice that some of these are not required, like country is not required. If you don't even want country to show up, but I'd leave it there just in case you get somebody from Germany or someplace like that that's booking, they can enter from Germany. But if you don't want it on there, you can just click X and remove it. The rest of these are all required. The zip code, the state, the city, the address. Line 2 I didn't put in. Address line 1 should be more than sufficient. Phone, email. You can see they're required. If you don't want the last name, click no. But frankly, I think we want all that stuff. So that's fairly straightforward. And when you finish making any changes, just hit Save Change. Then payment. This is a please do not touch. Any entry here could mess things up down on the lower part of it. The upper part, currently the way it's set up is the customer has to pay for the full price of the stay online to book an accommodation. If that's the way you folks want it, perfect. Some places have them pay a deposit and then the balance due when they show up, which would mean Terry would have to be there when they arrive so that she can use a bank supplied or a PayPal supplied scanner to scan in the remainder of the cost of the stay. Some people just don't have thousands of dollars to lay out there up front, especially if they're booking 7, 8, 9 months out, well, 8 months out. But if you decide to go to customers pay a deposit, you can put a percentage and put whatever you want, 25% in there, and that will recalculate everything on the reservations page. Down below is the area. Oops, let's not have that in there. We'll remove that. Um, we did say the changes, right? Yep. Okay, so down here is we're on PayPal. The currency is the dollars. I'm sorry. The currencies is the dollars. The currency symbols before the price. The price precision is 2 decimal points because taxes could be, involving cents as well. We're only using PayPal, but the PayPal piece allows folks to use any credit card, even though they're not a member of PayPal. And the PayPal settings, we are live. These API settings, if any change is made to those, PayPal will have no clue of where to send the money that comes in on your account. All right, so that's extra services, fees, forms, and payments.